Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you a new extension for Visual Studio Code for ChatGPT. It's called CodeGPT. So how to install it in Visual Studio Code? Go to extension and type CodeGPT and click on this one, and how it works. So write a comment asking in specific code, press Command Shift and I and use the code. So this key binding is already like binded to a different command. I guess it's for formatting, so indentation, so you need to remove that key binding in order to use it, or you can use it regularly, like right click. I'll show you in a bit. So then next thing is like when you've already installed it here and you need to set it up, so you need to grab the API keys for your OpenAI. So you need to have an account. So what we're going to do is like go to Google and type OpenAI API key. So it will go to this OpenAI website, and you can hit create new secret key here. And when you've already created a new secret key, you can just copy it and paste it into the extension. So how we're going to set it up? So you press Command Shift and P or Control Shift and P if you're in Windows, and you type set API key. So you get this option, you click this and enter your API key, and it will set it up. So now let's go to this extension and see how it works. So the first task, we're going to tell him to generate a simple password generator with alphanumeric characters, and it will take a length from the user. So let's write it and hit Command Shift and I. So our extension is running. So let's see. So it gave us the code, copy it and paste it. So it's called main, right? That's very weird. Let's rename it generate password. Length should be as an integer. So let's go here and define our main. If name is main, so it's already defined main, and we're getting our length and passing it to our generate password, and it's saying your password is the password that is generated. Now let's hit enter and run it. Let's press 8. So your password is this one. It can do simple tasks, it can do complex tasks, whatever you will ask it for. Like it's a simple command line application, you can generate some of the application with the GUI and stuff. Let's say, what are the other things you can try? We need to select the whole code and right click, and you can see some of the options. You can see compile and run, explain, refactor, document, find the debugs, problem, unit test, and all these stuff. So you can sometimes it doesn't, because it thinks you need to ask your query from this here, enter your query, and then it will like generate the documentation. So now let's give it a task to generate a GUI application. So let's see how it works. So let's see, click me. So the button is added, and test it. Oh, it's not very well documented and formatted. I don't know. Root.main loop. That was missing. Click me. It says hello world here. So it's working, right? But you need to check the code, what you're getting from it, and to see. That's your responsibility to check the code that it generates, whether it's correct, because it doesn't actually run it. So that was it.